Hi everybody and welcome. Today I'm going to tell you how to clear Google Maps history. So at first we have to enter our profile picture in the top right corner and here settings. Now we have to tap Maps history and here we have to wait a moment. Here, as you can see, we have Maps activity, and if you scroll a little bit down, we can see here, as you can see, delete button. Here we can delete today, delete custom range, or delete all time. Apart from that, we can tap auto delete, which is by default turned on, and it's about 3 months range, and yeah. You can tap delete all the time to clear our history. Here confirm you would like to delete the following activity. Deleting now. Explore Google Maps, directions to Europe, and we can preview more of what you are deleting. And we can tap delete button here. Got it? And now our history is cleared. That's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.